In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive tasks in Hubstaff. If you want to keep your workspace organized and make sure old or finished tasks are no longer cluttering your active task list, archiving is a simple and useful option. In Hubstaff, this process is tied to the task being finished or marked as completed, so the main idea is to close out the task properly before it moves out of your active workflow. To begin, open Hubstaff and go to the area where your tasks are listed. Find the task you want to archive. Before anything else, make sure this is a task you no longer need to actively work on, because once it is completed, it will be treated as finished rather than something still in progress. If the task already has all the work done, you can simply mark the task as completed. This is the quickest way to archive it from your active view. Marking a task as completed tells Hubstaff that the work is finished, which helps keep your task list cleaner and easier to manage. If the task has not yet been actively finished within the system, there's another way to do it. Open the task, click Start, and then click Finish. This is especially helpful if the task needs to be formally started and closed so Hubstaff can register it as complete. Once you click Finish, the task is considered done and can be moved out of your active task workflow. As you do this, it's a good idea to double check that all necessary work has been logged and that you're not closing a task too early. Archiving completed tasks can be very helpful for keeping reports, projects, and day-to-day task management more organized, but you'll want to make sure everything important has been wrapped up first. After the task is completed or finished, it is essentially archived from the active working state. This makes it easier to focus on current tasks without distractions from work that has already been completed. So, to recap, go to your task, then either mark it as completed or click Start and then Finish. That's how you archive tasks in Hubstaff and keep your task list neat and manageable.